What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. Today we're going to be going over Bitgert. Bitgert is actually a really big gem inside the DeFi space, and they got a lot going on for them. So we're going to be going over Bitgert today. Anyways, hit that like button, subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And if you want to join the members, definitely join the memberships for the channel. I will be going over any coin that you want. This is actually a request from one of the members, Alexandra Morin. So yeah, he requested this. So this is definitely a very big gem. We're going to be going over this. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. And I have another coin that I'm going to be going out. Shout out to Alias Jame. I think that's how you say it. But I'm going to be going over a Vthor for Alias as well. Shout out to Rickaroo. Shout out to Michael and SC. So if you want to join the membership channel, I'll be going over these cryptos for you immediately and giving my personal opinion on it, and also showing the huge gems that you all let me know about. Like this is a huge gem. So we're going to be going over this. I'm definitely excited to go over this. So a big shout out to Alexandra Morin. Like this is a huge gem, especially for all the people that like utility coins. So this is like top-notch utility coin here. So let's go over this now. So the first thing that we're going to be talking about with Bitgert is the price. Looking at the price is actually pretty cheap. So this is a pretty good entry point to get in for Bitgert. It has about, this is million, billion, trillion, quadrillion. As you can see, million, billion, trillion, quadrillion. So 1 quadrillion coins, not too bad, not too shabby. What we're going to do here is take and copy this 1 quadrillion coins, paste, and then you can just multiply it by the current price, which is right here. And if you do that, that pretty much gives you the math to where our fully diluted market cap is. So fully diluted market cap of Bitgert would be $731 or $731 million inside of fully diluted market cap. Now that's if we're just doing it like that, but we already know that they have a lot of coins burned. So we're going to be going over this, and there's just a lot going on with Bitgert. Bitgert has been up immensely, like literally 117% in the last 6 months, while everything has been going down. Bitgert has been pumping. Bitgert has been just trending inside the media. It's actually been trending more than Binance Coin. So we're going to be going over this. There's been huge pumps for Bitgert. So first things first, build with Bitgert chain. Yes, they have their own blockchain. They have their own wallet. They have their own staking. There's a lot going on here. So fastest and lowest fee, secure and scalable blockchain ecosystem. So me personally, I just now downloaded the Bitgert app on my phone. I'm going to start using it. I'm also going to start doing some staking because they have a whole staking platform here. So you can stake BRISE, which is Bitgert, or BRISE if you want to just call it that. And the staking will be paying you out in BUSD. So pretty much 6% every 30 days or 80% annually. So that's a huge gains right there. You do the 180 option and then you just do the annual. That's going to give you huge gains. And I've already been, playing with some numbers here. Like if I put 30K inside of this, then that would pretty much be giving me $1,800 a month just based off that 30K. And then that'll continue to compound like when you add back that 30K, because that's, it's locked in there. So that's just going to continue to compound. And then you multiply it by 0.06. That's another 1,800 plus that 31,800 that we already had. So you see how this is going to continue to compound and compound and compound. This is passive income at its finest. I definitely believe there is some potential here with Bitgert. So not only is there staking here, there's also a trading exchange. So you can go over here and go to the exchange. So yeah, you can exchange stuff on here, and they have all types of coins. It's just like Pancake Swap. You could actually type in Baby Doge and you'll get Baby Doge here. If you want to trade Baby Doge on here, you can go ahead and do that. And you can swap whatever you want. B-Rise for it. You can swap Bitcoin. You can swap all these different coins from here. So it's pretty much just like Pancake Swap. So this is definitely a pretty good option on here. The fact that they already have Baby Dogecoin in here is pretty big. But anyways, moving on from there, I'm probably going to end up using Bitgert and getting some Bitgert myself because I haven't got any yet, but I definitely want to. I'm going to have to buy some very soon. I already got the wallet and all that. But anyways, moving on from here, we're going to go over to the next thing with Bitgert. So like I just now said, the wallet, we have the whole app here. So there's a Bitgert app on the phone if you want to do that, or on the computer version, you can just go straight to the Google Play Store and then it'll pop up over there. But yeah, this is definitely a pretty big gem here. But over here, you can see buy BEP20 slash ERC20 in under 5 minutes. So you can buy, both BEP20 and ERC20 tokens through the app itself. So you really don't even have to use Trust Wallet. You can just use the BRISE wallet. So, anyways, exchange your crypto without leaving the app. So, unlike Trust Wallet, you gotta leave the app. You gotta go to PancakeSwap, but you do not have to do that for BRISE for the BRISE app. So, anyways, keep your crypto safe from hackers and scammers. Track charts and prices within the app. So, this is a pretty good wallet app here. They got chart support here, friendly user interface in a whole D app browser. You can add custom tokens on there, secure integration, secure your assets with private keys, mimic phrases, password authentication, and more. So it's more secure than Trust Wallet because Trust Wallet, anyone can access your Trust Wallet. If they get a hold of your phone, anyone can access it if they, send you a phishing link or anything like that. But anyways, swap support users can swap BEB20 and ERC20 tokens in one go. So I think they're saying here and stating is that you can swap BEP20 for ERC20. I don't know if that's true, but they said no need to use PancakeSwap or you need to swap to buy/sell tokens. So this is definitely pretty big here. I definitely want to go ahead and actually buy something on this. I have the exchange and everything. I have the whole wallet on my phone, but I haven't actually ended up buying anything on it yet. But anyways, buy, store, send, and swap. Easy to use. Good stuff there with the chart features. And on top of that, they're also doing a lot of stuff for developers. So anyways, now raise funds for your project or business expansion. So they're helping out small startup businesses with Bitgert Studios. So Bitgert Studio is a program launched to help entrepreneurs and businesses in raising funds, publicly issuing public sales. So this is pretty big that they're actually, helping out startup businesses like that. So this is definitely going to be something that a lot of people are going to watch out for in the future. That's probably why it's been pumping so huge in the last 6 months. Like literally, it's just been pumping huge. The last 30 days, even, it's been pumping like 216%. That's a lot of gains right there. But anyways, I wish I got in on this way earlier. But big shout out to Alexandra for this because if I would have gotten on this like a month ago, I would be so just sitting nice right now, just sitting lovely on some nice gains. But I didn't get in as soon as I would have wanted to because that was a really nice pump all the way from down there all the way up to here. This probably isn't going to be the end of the pump, but right now we got a lot of bad stuff happening in crypto, yet Bitcoin is still pumping. So that's definitely a good sign whenever you see something like that happen. But moving on from this to the next thing, so that we're going to have a bunch of DeFi projects here for Bitgert. We're going to have the top NFT marketplace coming out, Web3 projects, and decentralized projects. So we're going to have a lot of different stuff coming out for Bitgert. And then we got the whole white paper here. If you want to go ahead and go over it, you can. But it pretty much goes over almost everything that I went over. But yeah, there's a lot of good stuff with it. The BUSD rewards through staking, the buyback function. The tokenomics is pretty interesting. So there's a 12% tax transaction fee, so 5% buyback, 3% marketing, and 4% BUSD distribution to stakers. So you don't automatically get redistributed with BUSD, but if you stake your coins, then you get that 4% from everyone's transaction fees and you're staking it. So that's definitely a different type of distribution that they've have set up here. But yeah, the marketing tax 3%, buyback tax 5%. So the buyback tax are pretty much saying over here, if a stock has low value and the potential to perform better in the future, companies often announce a buyback of the stock in the open market. So once a company announces the buyback, investors gain more confidence to purchase and hold. Additionally, the demand increases, which ultimately would drive up the price. So they say at BRISE, we choose to apply the buyback concept to crypto and make our token more attractive to hold. And they actually say that they burn some of it. So BRISE collects a 5% buyback tax for each transaction, which is stored into the contract. Whenever a sale occurs, a fraction of the buyback is automatically purchased from the liquidity pool. Those tokens are immediately burned after the purchase. So yeah, these buybacks are being immediately burned. So there's pretty much a 5% burn. But anyways, raise in volume, free BNB, trust and reliability. What could you want possibly from another crypto out there? But yeah, there's a lot going on with BRISE here, Bitgert. So also 98,000 different holders with Binance. That's pretty good there. But what you really want to look at is their own blockchain. So now that they have their own blockchain out, this is where most people are going to start to pile up at only 152 wallet addresses so far, but they literally just released it, and that's why they've been pumping like huge, because they literally just released their blockchain, and they're actually moving pretty fast. I know a lot of projects will start to say stuff like, we're going to be releasing our blockchain soon, we're going to be doing all this and all that, but they usually don't end up doing it. But Bitgert has been literally coming out with new stuff back after back after back after back. Now, also on Twitter, you can see everything that they've been doing, because they keep everyone updated. A lot of projects don't keep you updated on Twitter like this. But anyways, 87.8K followers here. But what you really want to look at is all the accomplishments in such a short period of time that they've done. So Bitgert chain live. So the blockchain live on the 15th of February, literally very soon, or earlier, which was like 10 days ago. So on top of that, you got this new blockchain 10 days ago. And then you got the BRISE exchange to have a CEO and a CMO. So they're going to find someone to pretty much be the face of Bitgert, so then they can grow it even further. Someone that's already grew a business significantly. So that's going to be another thing that's going to help Bitgert rise. Hotbit just now got listed to Hotbit. Bitgert is now on there as well. So now we have over here Bit4x, a new listing on Bit4x. Bit4x is a pretty big exchange. And then over here, like listing after listing after listing, literally, here are some quick updates if you want to look at that as well. They got the whole bridge, the launch pad, and the bridge are under development. Soon they will be announced, they said, in an estimated time arrival. Bitgert chain integration on a decentralized exchange, or to be done this weekend. So we're probably going to see that coming very soon, because this was on the 23rd and it's pretty much the weekend now. So something big is going to be coming out for that very soon. And over here, who.com will list the BRISE on February 24th, which was yesterday. So it should be on there. And I don't use the actual platform, so I don't know 100% if it's on there yet, but it should be on there because that's what they stated. So yeah, it definitely should be on there. But then we got over here, we got a whole nother one. So Bitgert is now listed on the Belon exchange. I've never heard of it, but it's an exchange out there. They say it's a hybrid between DeFi and a normal exchange. So a hybrid exchange, PayPal payment solution for crypto projects. So that's definitely pretty interesting. And USA top 10 trending coins on Bitmart. So over here, you can see BRISE or BRISE number 4, actually above Baby Doge. Baby Doge at number 7, Shiba at number 6. So Baby Doge at 7 and Shiba at 6 and BRISE at number 4. So that's actually pretty interesting to see that BRISE is actually trending like number 4 on Bitmart. Bitmart is a pretty big exchange, so that's a pretty significant deal there. And then we got more stuff. Gate.io weekly reports. You got BRISE as a startup project, and it's pretty much pumping at the top of the Gate.io. So that's another huge thing for Bitgert. And then over here, Bitgert has surpassed Binance Coin and Google search trends. So here is the Binance Coin one in the red, and then there's Bitgert inside of blue, passing Binance now. So we did just now get the whole exchange coming out, or not the exchange. We just now got the whole blockchain coming out. So that's definitely something that helped it rise as well. I can definitely see this being as big as something like Polygon or something, because they just have so much coming out for it in such a short period of time, just literally pumping good news left and right. But anyways, we're surprised, they said, to see the amount of startups established, already 26 plus projects inside of their startups. So they're doing this whole startup studio, helping startups. And they're also helping out developers as well. So this is another huge thing for Bitgert. So anyways, you can build on Bitgert. They have the developer help program, the DHP as they call it, where blockchain developers can apply for grants and build dApps on the Bitgert chain. That is definitely going to be pretty big, because now you're going to get actual projects being made under the Bitgert blockchain. So just like we have all these BEP20 tokens, now I think they call these BRC20 for Bitgert, or the BRISE 20, something like that. Is it like BR something 20? But yeah, they call it something like that. But they're gonna have all these coins under it, just like how Ethereum has coins under it inside their blockchain, just like how we have now coins being made under Polygon. We have coins being made under Binance Coin, all these different coins. So this is pretty good for us. And then over here, another listing on Coin98 Exchange. So yeah, there's a lot going on for BRISE. So definitely keep watching out for this. Big shout out to Alexandra for pointing this out to me. I would have never known about this if it wasn't for that person. So shout out to the members out there letting me know about these gems. But yeah, definitely join the members channel, because if you join the members, I will be going over coins that you suggest, and I'll give my honest opinion on it. My honest opinion on Bitgert: this is a solid project full of utilities. Like literally, this is going to be one of the biggest projects coming out. Like literally, and hopefully, Baby Doge and Bitgert can actually do some kind of working in the future, and just kind of do some kind of like collaboration in the future. That'd be pretty cool. But yeah, this is definitely gonna blow up. It's definitely gonna explode. As you can see, it has been having fluctuations in prices over a year, but now that it's pumping, it's kind of seeming like this pump is huge, and it may continue to go on if they keep releasing stuff back to back like they have been. We are only 13.5% below the all-time high, so do remember that it has pumped a lot right now. It is up 216% in the last 30 days. This shouldn't discourage you from investing in it, though. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Me personally, I'm going to be focusing on the staking options with BRISE or BRISE in Bitgert. So I'm going to be focusing on all these staking options. I already got it all set up, and I just got to buy some coins and stake them and lock them up in here, because I already did the math. And yeah, you could be making some huge money off this. Like, I just want to put things into perspective here. So let's just go ahead and do SPHD, right? SPHD stock. This is a high dividend, low volatility stock. $45.28. So the dividend for this stock is about 14 cents. SPHD dividend history. So you just type in the dividend history, 14.3 paid on the 22nd of February. So about 14 cents every single month. This is a monthly paying stock. This is one of the highest dividend stocks that you could get and lowest volatility. I actually like this stock. It's actually one of the biggest stocks that I did hold when I was doing the whole stock investing in dividends, but it's just too slow. And I'll pretty much demonstrate this. So let's just hypothetically say I have $100,000 and I'm just trying to retire. I'm like, I got $100,000. I don't want to work anymore. Just let this $100,000 work for me. So take this $100,000, and then you would go ahead and divide it by that 45.28. And then that would get you about 2,200 shares. So 2,208 shares. So you take that 2,208 shares and multiply it by your 14 cents per share per month. You're only getting $309 per month investing in one of the highest dividend yielding stocks in the stock market. Let me just say that one more time. You're only getting $309 off of $100,000 investing in one of the highest dividend yielding stocks in the stock market. Like literally $309 a month. But let's say you invest in Bitgert and you start doing the staking. So you're getting BUSD rewards. So it's coming in stable coins. Those rewards, they're not going to go down. It's stable coins. You're going to get that 6% regardless. Now, whether or not they change the percentage, then I don't know. But right now the percentage is at 6% a month. So let's just say you take that same $100,000, right? And then you go ahead and you divide it by Bitgert price, or not even the Bitgert price, because let's just say you have $1,000 worth of Bitgert. So you just take your $100,000 worth of Bitgert and then you multiply it by 0.06, which is representing 6%. That's $6,000 per month compared to a $309 per month investment that you could have at the highest dividend yielding stock in the stock market, one of the highest dividend yielding stocks in the stock market. But that's huge. So now just watch how it compounds. So that's 100,000. So let's just go ahead and do it like this. That's 100,000 now, or 106,000, I should say. So let's do that 10600. That's 106,000. Now do that again. Now you just multiply it by 0.06, and then boom. Now you can see how it just compounds and compounds and compounds. That was actually the wrong one, but that's pretty much how it goes. It'll go to like 7,000 now, then you'll get 8,000 a month, and it'll keep going up and it'll keep compounding, and that's how you build that passive income. That was going to be my strategy with it. I don't have $100,000, but I'm close to it. I'm going to keep going, and I'm just going to keep going until I get to like 100K, and then that's going to be like retirement, and it's going to let the passive income build for itself. And really not retirement, because I'm still going to be doing stuff. But yeah, this is my plan. I definitely think Bitgert has huge potential here. And like I said, big shout out to Alexandra for actually introducing me to this. I didn't know anything about Bitgert, but now that I do, I'm definitely going to be going into this like all in. So there's a lot of different projects like this, and I'm going to be bringing a lot of different gems to you all, especially the ones that the members bring to me. So a big shout out to all the members of the channel. Anyways, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. I will be making a baby Doge video today, so just stay tuned for that. Definitely hit the like button, subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. But also, if you want to join the membership for the channel, and you let me know on the community tab post what you want me to go on over next, or just let me know on any of the videos. Just comment on any of the videos. Since you're a member, you're going to be coming up first on all those comments, and I will make the videos for the members first before I make any videos for all the other people on the channel. Big shout out to everyone else on the channel, but I got to prioritize the members because there's a lot of requests to go over a lot of coins. So I'm going to be going over the members request first. But yeah, anyways, I'm not a financial advisor, not a financial advice. If you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a donation through the Cash App or PayPal donation link in the description. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.